Good morning, everyone. I want to share with you today's predictions. We have games here in the world of tennis, and then we have a total of 62 odds. So let's get started. The first game we have is a game between the Daily taking on Chonsky Jan, and my prediction is um, first set plus handicap 1.5 for the home team, which is the Derry. And then I wouldn't be able to mention all of the total of 18 matches. Just go ahead and use the booking code if you are using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, you can as well use your own local bookie and select this game. Most of these games are in the ATP and WPA. In the world of tennis, that is tennis games. So go to tennis and then select on WPA and then ATP. You see most of these games there, and then you select them according to what I have here. So I'll go ahead and scroll down slowly so that you'll be able to see all the teams and the options that I selected. So you'll be able to select them accordingly. Okay, guys. This is all I have for today. If you want to play a short to us, kindly go to our YouTube channel and then play today's short to us. I'll post it there. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so you won't miss uh predictions on daily basis. And then I wish you guys good luck and then bet responsibly. Thank you.